This paper towel holder doesn't just hold, it does so much more. Equipped with a one-handed tear-off mechanism, a secure base, and a thoughtful design, SwiftRoll becomes a versatile companion for various kitchen tasks. Whether you're cleaning up spills, grabbing a sheet for food prep, or simply keeping your paper towels within arm's reach, SwiftRoll is the guardian of your kitchen convenience, offering efficiency in every tear-off. It's not just a paper towel holder, it's a symphony of multitasking culinary elegance. Versatility is SwiftRoll's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to specific tear-off scenarios, it adapts to your diverse culinary needs. The one-handed tear-off mechanism and secure base allow you to customize the tear-off to suit different tasks, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for various kitchen challenges. Whether you're cooking up a storm, hosting a dinner party, or simply maintaining a tidy kitchen, SwiftRoll is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of kitchen efficiency. It's not just a paper towel holder, it's an avant-garde solution to your culinary versatility. Operation is a breeze with SwiftRoll dispenser. No need for complicated setups or intricate adjustments. The one-handed tear-off mechanism ensures that you can easily grab a paper towel with minimal effort. The durable construction ensures stability, making SwiftRoll dispenser a reliable kitchen companion for your daily culinary adventures. It's not just a paper towel holder, it's an easy upgrade to a world of effortless elegance. But what about durability? SwiftRoll dispenser doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, kitchen-friendly materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying kitchen conditions. The one-handed tear-off mechanism and secure base maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your paper towel holder remains a reliable accessory for the long run. It's not just a paper towel holder, it's a durable investment in the efficiency and style of your culinary endeavors. Now, let's talk about the experience. SwiftRoll dispenser isn't just a kitchen accessory, it's a sensory delight. The effortless tear-offs, the versatility in kitchen tasks, and the overall enhancement of your culinary routine, it's a symphony of modern kitchen convenience. The experience isn't just about grabbing a paper towel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.